Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Perfectly competitive markets can be tricky, but we can solve this profit question fast by looking at the short run versus the long run dynamics. Since Donuts for Dollars is earning positive economic profit right now, the price must be higher than the average total cost. This gap represents the extra money the firm makes. In a perfectly competitive market, these high profits act like a magnet for new competitors. New firms will enter the industry to grab a piece of that sweet economic pie. As firms enter, market supply increases until prices drop. Eventually, every firm earns only a normal profit, making option E the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given conditions and check your steps.